Yeah, dear friends, I am Stalin. Today I am going to teach about functions. What is a function in mathematics? Okay. Now, so I'll explain with the help of diagrams. Now look at this. This is a set X. This is another set Y. I got two sets, one is X, another set is Y. Okay. So, I got some 5 elements 3, 4 and 5. Here I got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 95, 105. So, I got a set X consisting of 5 elements. I got another set Y consisting of 8 elements. Now, I am going to relate each and every elements of X with some of the elements of Y. Listen very carefully, I am going to relate each and every element of X. That means all the element of X I am going to relate to some of the elements in Y. So, I will write it relations. I am going to relate. So, now what I am writing is I am relating 1 to 10, 2 to 20, 3 to 30, 4 to 40 and 5 to 50. See here, 1 is related to 10, 2 is related to 20, 3 is related to 30, 4 is related to 40 and 5 is related to 50. 5 is related to 50. Now here, see these are called xi, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. These are rated as y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. So, these 5 elements are related to these numbers with respect to some logic. See here, what is the logic? Y equal to 10 into x. This is what I did. Now, here this 1 is multiplied by 10, we have got 10. So, that is yes, available in A. So, I am relating. Now, 2 is multiplied with 10, the same number, and I got 20. So, I am searching for 20, yes, 20 is available. So, I am relating 2 with 20. Now, I am taking 3 and putting it here. So, I am getting 30. So, whether 30 is available or not in Y? Yes, it is available. So, I am relating like that 4 and 5. So, these kind of relation or relating the elements of one set with the elements of the other set is called a function. So, here this relation we call it as now f. So, sometimes we call it as y equal to f of x. So, what is f of x here? We know it, 10x. Now, look at this x. These are all independent variable. The elements which are in set x are independent variable because the value of y, the elements in y depending on the value of the set in x. So, it is independent variable. This is dependent variable. Now, look at this. So, how we write this relation? something like that. Now we write this function as function is from set x to y such that f of x equal to 10x. F of x equal to 10x. So these are all x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. This is operated by the function f. So it is called f of x1, f of x2, f of x3, f of x4, f of x5. But we call it as y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 also. So in general we say what is f of x? That is y equal to 10x. Or if we say that this is a mirror, then this is the image of this, like that also we say. Now what is the major condition? Condition is that all the elements of the set X should be associated with exactly one element of the set Y. That is the only condition. Then we say that there x is a function f between the set x and y. Right? Now here you see these are called, now look at this. This set is called domain. This set is called codomain. And the values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 associated with the elements of y, they are called range. Followed? So, a function is a relation between a set of elements from one set to the elements of the other set. Condition is that all the elements of the first set should be associated with some elements of or some one exactly one element of the set y. Then the function is, then this is called a function, or we say there does x is a function. That's all. Now we'll see examples. So there is a function between the set A and B. Why? Because all the elements of A is associated with, see, exactly one and only one element of those set B. Now here what happened, you see, y equal to 10x. Now let us see what is f here. F is a processor, like you see. Now if you take a machine, you will input something, then machine will process, then it will give output. So this function does the same thing. It does some processing, or in mathematical term it is, we can say it is an operator. It operates. Operators what? It will multiply, divide, it will subtract, you know, it will take inverse or combination of those operators. It does something and then gives the output. So we can say that function is just like a machine that has input and gives output after processing. Now look at this here. Now for example, 1 kg rice is rupees 10. Okay, now 10. So if you purchase 1 kg rice, you will have to pay 10 rupees. If you purchase 2, you will have to give 20 rupees. If you purchase 3 kilo rice, you will have to give 30 rupees. If you purchase 4, then you have to give 40 rupees. So here the each and every elements of the set A is processed. What is the processing done here? Multiplied by 10. So therefore, see 1 kilo rice, therefore we will get it here. What is that? This is parameter, we call it as. Understand? Now another example, how to have a relation. Nine, 19, 29, 39. Now look at this. Now the same thing. Suppose 1 kilo rice is 10 rupees and 1 rupee discount is given. Irrespective of number of kilos purchased. That means what? See, the price of 1 kilo rice is 10 rupees, but if you purchase 1 kilo also will be given 1 rupee discount only. 2 kilo if you purchase also will be given only 1 rupee discount only. So what will be that? Y equal to 10x minus 1. This will be their function, or you can say f of x equal to 10x minus 1. What does it mean? Take 1 and put it here. 10 into 1, 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Put it 2 here. 10 into 2, 2 minus 1, 20 minus 1, 19. So like that. This also one example. Then another example which we will see is, suppose you see example 3. Minus 4 plus 4. 1, 4, 9, 16. Now look at this here. In the first set, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 4, 4. See, 1 is related to 1, 2 is related to 4, 3 is related to 9, and minus 4 is related to 16, and plus 4 is also related to 16. That means what we are having is, very clearly you can see all the elements of the set A is related to some exactly one and only one element of the set B. Okay, exactly one set. One should be associated with one element only, not more. Suppose one is associated with 4 also, then it will not be a function. Okay, now here f of x equal to, see, each and every numbers are squared here. So x square. So y equal to x square. So what is here? What is the function does here f? The function f takes the input from set A and squares it. Correct? So this is also a example of a function. So function means very simple. It is a relation between the set of elements of from one set to the elements of the second set, provided all the elements of the first set should be associated with corresponding only one elements of the set B. then that is said to be, or we can say that x is a function. Understand? Thank you.